Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be unboxing Lookfantastic's Christmas crackers. So these are like super cute, like I'm so excited about these, and yeah, like let's just go ahead and we'll get started. This is the box for the crackers. So inside here there is 6 little crackers and each of them have a beauty product inside. So there's 6 beauty products in the 6 crackers. And yeah, the packaging for this is really nice. It's similar to the advent calendar from Lookfantastic. It's the same kind of blue, dark bluey navy packaging with the gold detailing on it. I'm just going to open it up now and show you them. So we'll take the lid off, and that's the crackers inside there. So as you can see, we have some purpley tone ones and we have some blue tone ones like that. They are actually really pretty. I'm loving the look of these. So that's them right there. Like I really don't want to crack these now. Like these would be so good for like my Christmas table this Christmas time, but like I really want to show you everything that's inside. So I'm wondering if I can actually open these. Oh, maybe I can. I could probably open these without having to crack them. Yeah, like that would be good. So I can probably keep these for Christmas, yeah, for my table. But yeah, like that's the cracker packaging there, so it's upside down, but that's there. It says Lookfantastic here, some gold detailing on it, some purple ones and some blue ones. So yeah, so let's get started and open up these. Okay, let's take the first one here. So we have a box of something. Hang on, and there's some more stuff in here as well. Let's see what this is. Oh, it's like a beauty fact thing like that, which tells us, so what's it say? It wasn't until the 1920s that Coco Chanel accidentally got sunburnt on a yacht trip that tan became popular. Okay, so there's a beauty fact, there's also like a little quote and a who am I as well, so I'm not going to spoil them for you. So if you guys get these, then you can do these this Christmas. So yeah, you get that in there. I think you get them in all 6 then, I believe. And you also get this, oh how cute, like a party hat. So basically there's no need to get crackers this year for your table, guys, if you get, you know, these. Like amazing. Let's stick this on and see how I look. Like, oh my god, that is like so terrible. Like I do not suit a party hat. Like that is just ridiculous, but like really cute. I love that they've done this. I can't do the video with that one, that's just no. Anyway, so we get the party hats in there, which is great. I love that. Or the Christmas hats, just the like, yeah. And this is the first product inside, which is from Illamasqua. You guys know I like Illamasqua. This is their Hydra Veil Rehydrating Gel. Okay, so this is a really nice product. I have a fuller size of this and that's what it looks like there. So it's kind of like a clear jelly formula. Like I would open it, but I think I'll keep it closed just now because I do have a full size of this one which I'm using, and I also have a couple of other little minis as well. This one I could probably maybe put into like a little giveaway for Christmas. Yeah, like that would be good. Yeah, I think I'll do like a little giveaway quite soon, guys. Yeah, and I'll put like a bunch of really nice skincare and makeup products, you know, in like a little box or hamper or something like that for you guys. I think that would be really nice for Christmas. But anyway, this little guy we get here, which is the Hydra Veil from Illamasqua, is a really nice product, really hydrates the face. I'll read a little bit about it just in case you haven't heard of this before. So it says, this best-selling clear gel instantly helps skin feel hydrated and smooth. The lightweight water-based formula is quickly absorbed by the skin and is the perfect base for long wear foundation application, leaving your skin looking flawless. Love this little guy here from Illamasqua. Super sweet and great product to get in the cracker. Okay, so the next cracker is the kind of navy colour. Like it would be great to really like actually pull these apart and pop them with someone, but like I don't have anybody here to do that with me. So inside here we'll obviously get a party hat, yeah, and another kind of little thing like that inside. And here we have, oh, something from Aromatherapy Associates. This is a bath and shower oil. So we've had a few of these before across the beauty boxes, and this one is in the scent Forest Therapy. Yeah, Forest Therapy. So I wonder what this smells like. Oh, that's actually really nice. Oh yeah, really strong but nice. Oh yeah, really nice. I used a couple of these, I've used 2 of these actually in the past 3 weeks. Yeah, in my past showers. Like, you just basically apply this onto your body before, like, you kind of massage it into your body before you have your shower, and it just, like, when the water goes on you and things like that, just really makes your skin feel really smooth and really soft. So this one smells nice as well. That's Forest Therapy from Aromatherapy Associates. The next cracker, so inside here we have, oh, quite a big product. Ooh, this looks like a palette or something. Let's see. Oh, from Sleek Makeup. Like, yeah, this looks really nice. What is it? It's a blush palette. Oh, I like the look of that. That's really nice. Love this peachy shade. Oh, that's actually quite bright peach actually. It's more corally. Like, I don't know if it's coming across well on camera, but it's really bright, like a corally bright colour. Oh, but that's actually really nice. That'd be interesting. It looks like a matte shade. This one here is more of a mauve blush, and it has a little bit of kind of shimmer through it. And this one here looks more like a muted blush, which I think will be great for like lighter skin tones. This one will be great, I think, for dark skin tones. This one will be good for medium skin tones. Yeah, but like you could probably mix all 3 of these together and get like a really nice little colour combo. But yeah, that's a really nice palette. Like, I don't think I've seen this one from Sleek before. So it's called the Santa Marina blush palette. So it's a 3-in-1 little blush palette. Yeah, super cute like that. Okay, so the next cracker we have like a little tube of yes, oh my god, I love this stuff. Oh, so excited about this. This is from Elemis. This is their Pro Collagen Oxygenating Night Cream. I really like this. Like, I love a lot of Elemis skincare products, especially the moisturizers. So this is from the Pro Collagen range, which is my favourite range from Elemis. It's an anti-wrinkle night cream, and yeah, like, it's just lovely. Like, I love this so much, and really excited about this. Like, yeah, this is a great moisturiser if you haven't tried it already, guys. This, and also the overnight matrix cream, that is gorgeous as well, from Elemis. Highly recommend them to you. Like, they're super expensive, but like, they're really nice night creams. But anyway, like, so excited about this. Okay, so the next cracker we have a product that's all tied up. Not tied up, but like, it's really tightly packed, and it is from Hardie. Like, I think I always say Emma Hardie when I see this brand, but it's actually Emma Hardie. Yeah, like, I always get the name wrong. But yeah, this is the Moringa Cleansing Balm. So we've had this a couple of times in the Lookfantastic beauty boxes, I believe. Yeah, I still haven't got around to trying this yet, so I'm not too sure how good this is. But I know it's quite expensive product as well, and I think that's why they give you like a kind of smaller size of it here. But yeah, this is the Moringa Cleansing Balm, and there's no other information on the packaging here that I can tell you about it. But yeah, like, super cute. Okay, so the next cracker here we have, oh, the little things came out. I'll put that back in just now. So in here we have, oh, I don't think we've had anything from this brand before. It's from Lookfantastic. Like, I don't know how you say that there, but it is a, oh, it's a hand cream. So it's a botanical hand cream with citrus scents in it. So that would be a great little kind of handbag size hand cream. Haven't tried anything from this brand before, so it'll be interesting to see how this little cream goes. But yeah, like, that's super sweet packaging, I like that. And yeah, that is the next thing. Yeah guys, that is everything inside the little Christmas crackers from Lookfantastic. Like, I think these are really cool. I love the idea of these. I think they'll be a great little addition to your Christmas table, especially if you've got lots of like friends coming around or relatives and things like that. You can give them like a little cracker each and they'll all have like a nice little product, beauty product inside. So yeah, loving these. I think there's a great mix of products in there. Especially love the Elemis Pro Collagen Overnight Cream and the Illamasqua Hydro Lid. They're really nice products, and really excited to give the Sleek blush palette a go. Like, I'm loving the shades in there. There's a shade in there for every skin tone, I think, and also you could mix them and get like a really nice unique colour combo. So yeah, that looks really nice as well. Yeah, I also really love that you get like a hat in there and also like a little joke trivia type of thing as well in every cracker as well. I think that's great. A little bit of entertainment for the Christmas table. Yeah, that is it guys. I would love to know what you think about this year's Christmas crackers from Lookfantastic. I would love to know down in the comments section. And let me know if you'll be picking these up for yourself. And if you like this video, give it the big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button down below if you haven't already, and I'll speak to you very soon in my next video. Bye!